Defoo, Chinese word de, means an excellent morality, which stands for respect, responsibility, and integrity. Fu, affluence. Defoo, people know well, helping others helps yourself. You are the root of everything. That leads us grow with our partners and help each other succeed in glue and tapes industries for years. Founded in 2013, Defoo is a group, comprehensive production and export enterprise with 3 subsidiaries: Defoo Enterprise, Hong Kong Limited, Shenzhen Defoo, and Huizhou Defoo, New Packing Material Company Limited. We have complete glue and tape equipment, 3 water-based glue production lines with a monthly capacity 5,000 tons, 1 high-tech, high-speed, and dust-free PET silicone oil coating line serviced for electronic industry products, 10 high-speed BOPP coating lines, 2 high-speed stretch film production lines with capacity 600 tons monthly, more than 30 high-speed slitting machines and other equipment. The world trade is facing more crisis under the influence of the epidemic in recent years. Only a powerful and real manufacturer can stable, improve, and long-lasting your business. Defoo has a complete and stable supply chain from raw materials to finished products. We are also one of the top 5% AAA-level suppliers of packaging materials in China. Your orders and fund. Join us, surprise us. Contact us to build up our partnership today.